Welcome back to my channel. This is Mac, and it is a beautiful, beautiful day. I mean, look at this. Anyway, I had one of the best Valentine's days ever with my wife. She got me one of the best gifts ever for Valentine's Day, and I kind of wanted to share it with you. It's right here. Let's go and open it up and see what it is. It'd be embarrassing if someone sent me like a bag of dicks or something. Now I'm just opening it in front of you, everyone. Pretty nicely wrapped. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Well, here, boys, this is what we got. Brand new steering wheel for the Camaro. This looks so nice. It's everything the guy said it was. Anyway, I am super stoked because I am going from this rinkety, disgusting thing to this beautiful steering wheel. Okay, so we are gonna put in the steering wheel today. And the first thing is we gotta remove the battery. Gotta unhook it. Whenever dealing with an airbag steering wheel, you have to remove the power, okay? So let's do that first. Now it's time to remove the steering wheel. Let's see how bad it is. This thing isn't the prettiest. XOXO. I guess they love me. Anyway, not a big fan. Anyway, on the back side of the steering wheel, there are 4 bolts that hold it on. The airbag. So we're gonna remove those right now. It requires a T30 socket to get these out. Now that we unscrewed the back, the screws don't actually come out. They stay in the steering wheel, but you'll see like this pushes up and this comes right off. Okay, and you can actually still see the screws still in here. Right here, right here, right here, right here. Now we just gotta unplug this. Okay. Now you're going to use a 13/16 socket. Before you pull this out with the steering wheel puller, you guys want to make this straight. Otherwise, you'll be pulling it back off. Okay, now that it's straight. I'm using this from Harbor Freight. With the steering wheel puller in place, you just have to tighten this. Until it pops. All right, now we just gotta go get, now we just need to get the new steering wheel, put it on. Let's get it from over here. Oh my god. Where the hell is my steering wheel? What are you doing with my steering wheel? That is not for VR. This is not for VR at all. Do not use my stuff. You're interrupting my playtime. You're like the worst person ever. I'm just saying. I'm gonna go back to playing my game, okay? You are just mad because you did not come up with the idea. This is the most awesome idea ever. Give me that back. You're not allowed to play with this. This is not a toy, okay? You're a dick. Just saying. Now that I got my steering wheel back, we can actually install it. I've encountered my first issue with the swap. Let's see if you can see it. You see how this metal thing protrudes out a little bit? This is what catches on the spline. On the new one, it's kind of recessed in. So what's happening is when I put the steering wheel on, this rubber is hitting the steering column and I can't turn the steering wheel. Now, you could hack this up and probably trim this down, but I'm not going to go that route. I am going to take these bolts out and put spacers on this thing and bring it out. I think it's the best route to get it about that far. So, that's what I'll be doing right now. I think what I'll need is some longer screws and some spacers. Let's see if I have any. Oh. I think it's about right. I'll need to test with this real quick. When this gets pressed all the way in there, it'll be a little closer. I'm hoping this thing doesn't rub. This is amazing. Okay, so there's no rubbing right here. The spacer trick worked. Car's amazing. Steering wheel's amazing. There's so much more I need to do to this car. Anyway, I'm gonna go take this for a quick drive and I'll be right back. Now that I have my new awesome steering wheel, I'm gonna go ahead and start on probably, I don't know, dash pad or something. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are on what I should start on next. Oh, I still need to make the cover for the gas tank. Yeah, we need to do that too. If you like this content, please let me know. Please comment below. Tell me what you'd like to see in the builds. If you have any suggestions, any questions, please let me know. I do read every single comment and I try to reply to all of them. So anyway, until next time. Oh, if you do like this video, please subscribe. Tell your friends about it. Until next time, thank you. Have a great day.